Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream. First, cream together 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, mix in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 cup of mini chocolate chips. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes. Now, let's prepare the ice cream base. In a separate large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar until the sugar dissolves. Stir in 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. It's crucial to chill this mixture thoroughly in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or preferably overnight, before moving to the next step. Once your ice cream base is well chilled, churn it in your ice cream maker according to the manufacturer's instructions until it reaches a soft serve consistency. While it's churning, take your chilled cookie dough and break it into small, bite-sized pieces. Gently fold these delicious cookie dough chunks into the freshly churned ice cream. This ensures even distribution throughout. Finally, transfer your chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream into an airtight container. Place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours, or until it's firm enough to scoop and enjoy. This waiting period is the hardest part, but it's worth it for that perfect texture. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.